Hello people, welcome to the next episode on Hurricane TV. Today is not only a lovely day outside, it's a lovely day also for our boat working project, because today we are going to start the lamination works on the deck of the Dolphin. And here with me are my friends Patrick and Patrick. How are you doing this morning?
Thank you, I'm good.
Hello, I'm fine, thanks.
Excellent. So we are all fine. Let's get started. We have prepared everything perfectly for the lamination process, which means we have sanded and grinded down all the rotten deck. We have removed all the rotten woods and also the glass fiber, which was strongly delaminated already. And now we have full preparation for the lamination process. The idea is that we are now putting two, three layers of glass fiber in as a base, then 3mm core, then another glass fiber layer, and then we let this compound cure over the night, and then we continue the lamination process with the rest of the layers. Good morning everybody on this lovely morning here in front of the Dolphin 22.
Yeah.
Great. Today we are going to finish and to laminate the decks, the rotten decks. So we have the lamination session part 2, because the last time we have already started, and today we will finish the lamination works on the deck of the boat. But before we start, I would like to congratulate Patrick and Patrick. I have a little present prepared for you guys.
Thank you.
Because they have made the skipper license last week.
Yes.
And I think everything went very well during the exam, and you made it, guys. Congratulations to it.
Thanks.
And I hope you can use my present a little bit. And for your first sailing turn, I heard that you had some little winds over there.
Yes, of course. Up to about 30 knots.
Oh, wow. Yeah, but this is really great to dock the boat at 30 knots of wind. Then you can really do it. So congratulations to this, and now let's get started.